I'm Dan Darby. I'm one of the principals here at Darby Consulting. And we're going to put a quick video together for you that's really in the category of IT leadership. If you're in a leadership position, either as an IT project manager, as a director of an IT organization, as a CIO, establishing a standard way about how you want your IT organization to show up when you engage with a number of stakeholders, a number of departments within your organization. A great way to set that tone is during the onboarding process. A lot of organizations, particularly IT organizations, delegate onboarding to their HR organization, and they're onboarding them to the company. But I think IT leadership also has an opportunity to take advantage of onboarding and to onboard employees, in our case consultants, to how we show up and how we want to show up when we work on projects. It's really important to do that, particularly if we're in a service organization, and IT departments are very much in a service position within their organization. So I want to share with you an inside look at some of the tools that we use to onboard our consultants. So this is our SharePoint site. We have a number of tools that we have access to. So we include our onboarding toolkit here for all of our consultants to come back to and to see what's going on. So in our onboarding toolkit, we include things like policies, a calendar, but we've created kind of a theme called Be Amazing, and that's kind of a central message that we want to communicate to our consultants about what do we want them to achieve. It's our program really for consultant development. It's one of the things that you may want to think about as well, is what would you want to, what's that banner you want to, what is it, and what does it mean that you want to kind of align yourself with. And for us, Be Amazing stands for, being is kind of a short, and it stands for Be Amazing. And there's a number of basic qualities or attributes of what we feel makes for an amazing consultant. How they show up as an individual, their stewardship, customer service, etc. And so what we've done is we've broken those down into key behaviors for each of those 4 attributes. And then we've gone through and we've developed onboarding videos that kind of give an overview of each one of those attributes and what some of our expectations are of our consultant. We also include content, some really great content that reinforce that a lot of our principles under Be Amazing, such as getting things done, starting projects, or running meetings. And they have some self-study lessons and things that we do. When we do monthly meetings and so forth, we go over a lot of these expected behaviors. We also have a 30, 60, and 90-day plan for all of our consultants that come on, and that we have them do some self-assessment. We give them feedback, and it's all about sharpening the saw so that they can really be amazing and be the best consultant they can be. I'd encourage you to do something similar. You can use SharePoint, you can use paper-based version, other types of ways, but it starts with identifying what are your core principles, what are the behaviors underneath each one of those principles, and then finding ways to train and reinforce those behaviors across your employee base, or even with your contractors as well. Hope you find that video helpful. We have other videos about planning and implementing projects that you may find interesting, and we'll look forward to sharing more of those with you shortly.